Welcome to the very first episode of Urbex Explorers, where we delve into the forgotten corners of the world, uncovering hidden histories and untold stories. Today, we're exploring this abandoned factory, once a bustling hub of industry, now a relic of the past. Join me as we step into the unknown. This factory was built in the early 1900s and was a cornerstone of the local economy. It was shut down abruptly in the 1970s, leaving everything behind. Look at this. These old documents give us a glimpse into the daily operations of the factory. It's like stepping back in time. Exploring these places can be eerie. You never know what you might find around the next corner. Nature is reclaiming this space. A reminder of how powerful and relentless time can be. This room was probably a workshop or a storage area. Now, it's a canvas for street artists. Urban exploration isn't just about the past. It's also about seeing how these spaces are repurposed and reinterpreted by new generations. That's all for our first adventure. If you enjoyed exploring with us, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next journey into the unknown. Thanks for watching Urbex Explorers. See you next time.